Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to find filters in Instagram and how to search IG filters in 2024. This method works on iPhone 15. So please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and let's get started. So first we need to go to Instagram. After that you need swipe here, and after that you can swipe to the right and choose any effect and click here. But if you want to search, to use search bar, you must swipe to the very right and click on search and browse effects. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.